Hello ladies and gents, Ro here, and welcome to Normal Films. Today we're going to continue our iMovie tutorials, and in this tutorial we're going to cover how to export to YouTube through iMovie. And this is, let's say you've already created your project. Let me just launch iMovie here and show you guys. But you've already created a project, done editing, now you want to put it straight to YouTube. You don't want to export it to your desktop, you don't want to export it to iTunes, you want to go straight to YouTube. This previously did not work for me, so I didn't bother making a tutorial on it. But since the new update, along with Yosemite, which was iMovie 10.0.6, which is what I'm currently running. As soon as you get that, you will be able to, you shouldn't have any problems exporting straight to YouTube. For example, I'm within my event, iMovie tutorials, and we did switch this around a little bit, and be sure to check out my update previous video, 10.0.6 update video, and we did switch this around a little bit. But for example, here we do have a project here. It's perfectly made, it's all ready for me to export, and this is going to be a test video export. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to go straight up to the top right hand corner of my screen and hit this share option. It used to be back over here to the left, but with the new update it's going to be over here to the right. So I'm going to go hit that share button. I'm going to go, instead of file as we normally do, we're going to go straight to YouTube, and we're going to go just name it my tutorial. Description is going to be the videos about my tutorial. Tags is just going to have one tag, we'll edit the tags later. The size, let's go 1080p because that is available. The category is going to be film and animation, and we're going to set this video to private because there's really nobody I want to see this awesome video. So from here on, what you want to do is you can make sure all your footage is here as you want it. Also go to your account here, you want to connect it. If you haven't connected an account, it will prompt you to do this first. But also go to, for your account name, just put in, most of the time it's going to be your email address that's connected to that account, or it will be your username. Most of the time I just go in with your email address first, then go in with your password, and then remember this password and my key change, hit OK. It should verify. If it doesn't let you go through, that means you got one of those wrong, you got your account name wrong, or you got your password wrong. Most of the time it's your password. So go ahead, it'll tell you the estimated size here, but that's really not important. And then from here, just make sure you got your quality set up, and then just hit next. From here, it'll give you a little copyright, make sure you own all the footage. And from here, you're going to hit export, hit next, and you'll see this little progress bar at the very top right hand corner. It says right here, publishing my tutorial to YouTube, writing my tutorial HD 1080p video .mov to YouTube, and it will be the supported format. And since mine is only 22 seconds long, wow, my iMovie just flipped out there for a second, went off the screen. But since my iMovie's my video here project is only 22 seconds long, this should not take very long. I don't know why, but my iMovie keeps wanting to go somewhere else. That is not what I want. So there we go. Okay, I'm just trying to look at the progress bar here. Okay, there it goes. It says 1 minute estimated time. Since it is in 1080p, it might take a little bit longer. But now I'm going to go straight to my YouTube channel and take a look here. Refresh the videos page, and you should be able to see it here pop up after just a little bit, showing that it's there. Yeah, there it is. My tutorial. As you see, processing. If you go to, I'm going to go info and settings. As you can see, it's just got all the basics in it, which you can change as you go on. But I'm going to go back to the video manager, and you can see the video here still processing. I'm going to minimize this again, and there you are. It just finished. Share successful. Then you can go to hit that visit button option. It'll take you straight to the video, and since it is still processing, it's still basically uploading YouTube, this will have to go in through a little bit longer. So I'm going to exit out of this page. I'm going to go back to my videos page, refresh this again, and wait till that processing symbol's gone. Basically, that means I can actually watch the video. So let's click on the video again. Yeah, it's still processing, so we're going to exit out again, refresh it, and as you can see, we did export this project, which is 22 seconds long. I'm going to minimize this again, go back to the page and refresh it, and there we go. We got a thumbnail already in there, or a default thumbnail. Most of the time you want to set your own thumbnails. Just a suggestion. I'm going to go back in the video, and there you go. You see it's really bad quality right now, only 240p and 720p. For 1080p to show up, which is what we originally exported as, I'd probably have to give it a little bit longer to do that. As you can see, the quality does increase as you change the quality. 1080p is not yet available. Let's see if we refresh it. Since it is only 22 seconds, it should be available pretty fast. Yeah, there they are. There's 1080p right there. As you can see, I see in the quality, and it goes full screen too, and it should be no problem at all. And it's just as good a quality. It shouldn't be blurry. You just give it some time. If you do have a longer video, it will definitely take longer than what it just took me. It went it's a lot faster, basically, just because of the length of the video. But for this purpose, I'm gonna delete this video now, just because it is kind of useless. But other than that, you guys, that's how you share directly to YouTube. If you have any questions or if you're having any problems, be sure to let me know. I will be getting back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, you guys, thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Be sure to check out my other tutorials. I have 50 plus iMovie tutorials. Have a link in the description for the playlist of those tutorials. Catch you guys next video, and later.
Let my life be the proof of your love.